Welcome to today's video on foods, drinks, and herbs that help dissolve mucus in your sinuses, chest, and lungs. Are you dealing with stubborn mucus that just won't clear? Whether it's blocked sinuses, chest heaviness, or a lingering cough, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world experience respiratory discomfort caused by excess mucus. This thick, sticky issue affects nearly 10% of the global population each year. But what if a natural solution is already in your kitchen? Imagine an easy, natural way to loosen and break down that heavy mucus clogging your sinuses and lungs. Have you ever wondered which foods, beverages, and herbs truly help clear it out? In today's video, we're revealing the top foods, drinks, and herbs scientifically shown to thin, loosen, and dissolve mucus. Be sure to watch until the end, because we'll also share exactly how much to use and how often to get real, noticeable results. Ready to breathe freely again? Let's explore nature's most effective remedies for a clearer, more comfortable respiratory system. No harsh medications required. Just a quick reminder, the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice. Please note that all information presented has been reviewed and supported by a team of professional researchers. Before we begin, let us know where you're watching from and your age in the comments. Feel free to leave your questions as well. If you find this helpful, you can support the channel by joining through the link we'll leave in the comments. Members receive exclusive content and priority in the comments, so their questions get more attention. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Together, let's keep building a stronger, healthier life as we age. All right, let's begin with the top foods, drinks, and herbs that may help reduce mucus in your sinuses, chest, and lungs. Number 1, ginger, a natural respiratory powerhouse. Ginger is widely recognized for its strong ability to help clear mucus from the lungs, sinuses, and chest. Active compounds such as gingerol and shogaol provide powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that work together to thin mucus and make it easier for the body to remove. These compounds also help calm inflammation in the respiratory tract, which may reduce excess mucus production and improve airflow. Additionally, a 2021 study published in the Journal of Traditional Chinese Medical Sciences found that ginger's bioactive components reduce congestion and limit mucus buildup, particularly in respiratory infections. Adding ginger to your routine is simple. One effective option is ginger tea. Grate a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger into hot water and let it steep for about 10 minutes. Drink this tea 2 to 3 times daily. For a more concentrated approach, chewing a small slice of fresh ginger several times a day may also help. Start with about 1 gram of fresh ginger and increase gradually if well tolerated. Regular use can support clearer airways and overall lung health, especially when combined with proper hydration. Number 2, garlic, rich in powerful natural compounds. Garlic provides strong support for respiratory wellness, especially when it comes to easing mucus buildup in the sinuses, chest, and lungs. It contains allicin, a sulfur-based compound known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Allicin helps thin mucus and encourages its removal, improving breathing and reducing congestion. A 2022 study in Frontiers in Pharmacology highlighted allicin's ability to reduce mucus thickness and promote mucus clearance in respiratory passages. Garlic also supplies antioxidants and additional sulfur compounds that stimulate immune activity, helping the body fight respiratory infections that often trigger excess mucus. Together, these effects not only help break down existing mucus, but may also reduce future buildup. To use garlic effectively, crush or chop 2 to 3 cloves and let them rest for a few minutes to activate allicin. Add them to warm tea or broth, or consume raw with a spoon of honey to soothe the throat. 1 to 2 cloves per day is generally sufficient, as excessive amounts may cause digestive discomfort. Number 3, turmeric, powerful anti-inflammatory support. Turmeric is well known for its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a helpful remedy for clearing mucus from the sinuses, chest, and lungs. Curcumin, its primary active compound, has been shown to reduce mucus thickness, allowing it to move more easily through the respiratory passages. Turmeric also contains aromatic compounds such as turmerone, which further calm irritated airways and support mucus clearance. A 2019 study published in Mediators of Inflammation noted that curcumin helps reduce airway mucus overproduction, a common issue in respiratory infections and chronic bronchitis. To benefit from turmeric, try drinking it as a warm tea or golden milk. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to warm milk or hot water, along with a pinch of black pepper to improve absorption. Aim for 1 to 2 servings per day, providing about 500 milligrams of turmeric powder each time. Curcumin supplements standardized to 95% curcuminoids may also be used at doses of 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily under medical guidance. Number 4, pineapple, rich in bromelain. Pineapple contains bromelain, a powerful enzyme with mucus-thinning properties. Bromelain helps break down thick mucus in the respiratory system, making it easier to expel. It also reduces inflammation in the sinuses and airways, easing swelling that can restrict breathing. This makes pineapple especially useful for sinus congestion, chest colds, and other mucus-related conditions. A 2021 study published in Life reported that bromelain helps decrease mucus production and supports respiratory health. The study found that bromelain, along with pineapple's vitamin C and manganese, improved mucus clearance by loosening secretions and strengthening immune defenses. For best results, consume pineapple fresh. Drinking 8 ounces of fresh pineapple juice or eating about 1 cup of fresh pineapple daily can be beneficial. Avoid canned varieties, as heat processing significantly reduces bromelain content. Number 5, peppermint tea, rich in menthol. Peppermint tea provides natural decongestant effects that help move mucus from the sinuses, chest, and lungs. Menthol relaxes the muscles of the respiratory tract, opening the airways and reducing mucus thickness. Peppermint also contains anti-inflammatory compounds such as rosmarinic acid, which help calm airway inflammation and support easier breathing. A 2023 study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences examined menthol's effects on mucus viscosity and found that both inhalation and consumption can reduce mucus density in sinus and respiratory congestion. The study also noted that menthol, along with compounds like eucalyptol, helps inhibit bacteria that worsen mucus production. To benefit, drink peppermint tea 2 to 3 times daily. Steep a tea bag in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and inhale the steam before drinking for added relief. Number 6, honey, soothing and effective. Honey is a well-known natural remedy for respiratory discomfort. It contains antioxidants, antimicrobial agents, and anti-inflammatory compounds that help loosen mucus in the sinuses, chest, and lungs. Its natural thickness draws moisture into mucus, thinning it and making it easier to expel. A 2017 study published in Pharmacognosy Research found that honey reduces respiratory infection symptoms, including mucus congestion, due to its flavonoids and phenolic acids. For relief, mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey into warm water, or tea up to 3 times daily. Drinking this mixture before bedtime may help prevent overnight mucus buildup. Honey should not be given to children under 1 year of age. Number 7, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, contains acetic acid and natural enzymes that help break down mucus and support respiratory health. Its acidic nature thins mucus and may ease congestion in the sinuses, chest, and lungs. ACV also helps balance body pH, which can reduce inflammation-related mucus production. A 2023 article published in Princeton Care discussed how acetic acid helps reduce mucus thickness and supports respiratory comfort. For use, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered ACV in a glass of warm water and drink once or twice daily. Adding honey can improve taste and enhance soothing effects. Number 8. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, a compound known to stimulate mucus movement and thin thick secretions. Capsaicin improves circulation in mucous membranes, helping relieve congestion and open the airways. A 2022 study in Frontiers in Pharmacology showed that capsaicin has strong expectorant effects, aiding mucus clearance and improving breathing. To use, add a small pinch of cayenne to warm water with lemon and drink slowly once or twice daily. Start with a small amount to avoid stomach irritation. Number 9. Licorice root tea. Licorice root tea has expectorant and soothing properties that help dissolve mucus in the sinuses, chest, and lungs. Its active compound, glycyrrhizin, reduces inflammation and thins mucus. Licorice also contains saponins, which encourage productive mucus secretion that helps flush out buildup. A 2021 study published in Helion found that licorice root extracts improve mucus consistency and respiratory function by supporting ciliary movement. Drink licorice root tea up to twice daily, steeping 1 teaspoon of dried root for 10 minutes. Avoid excessive use, as high amounts may raise blood pressure. Number 10. Lemon water. Lemon water combines acidity and antioxidants that help break down mucus in the respiratory system. Citric acid thins thick mucus, while vitamin C reduces airway inflammation and supports immune function. Lemon bioflavonoids also improve circulation and ease congestion. A 2023 study in inflammopharmacology showed that citric acid disrupts mucus structure, making it less sticky and easier to clear. Drink warm lemon water twice daily using half a lemon per cup. Number 11. Thyme. Thyme is a natural expectorant that helps loosen mucus in the sinuses and chest. It contains thymol and carvacrol, compounds with antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory effects. Together, they reduce airway inflammation and thin mucus. A 2018 study in biomedicine and pharmacotherapy found that thymol significantly improves mucus clearance by targeting mucus-producing cells, especially during respiratory infections. One helpful way to use thyme for respiratory support is by drinking it as a soothing herbal tea. To prepare it, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried thyme in hot water for about 10 minutes, then strain. Drinking this tea 2 to 3 times daily may help ease discomfort during periods of congestion. Another option is using thyme essential oil in steam inhalation, which allows the vapors to directly reach the nasal passages and sinuses, offering an additional method to calm irritation and open respiratory pathways. Next, number 12, eucalyptus. Widely recognized for its decongestant and anti-inflammatory properties, eucalyptus has been used for generations to support breathing. Its primary active compound, cineol, is particularly effective at loosening thick mucus and enhancing airway performance. A 2018 study published in Biomedicine and Pharmacotherapy reported that cineol not only helps thin and break down mucus in the sinuses and lungs, but also lowers inflammation, improving overall lung function in people with respiratory concerns. By reducing mucus accumulation and soothing inflamed tissues, cineol supports better oxygen flow and more comfortable breathing. For practical use, eucalyptus may be used through steam inhalation or in diluted tea. To make an effective eucalyptus steam, add 2 to 3 drops of eucalyptus essential oil to a bowl of hot water. Lean over it with a towel covering your head, and breathe deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. For those who prefer drinking it, adding a small amount of food-grade eucalyptus oil to hot tea can assist in clearing mucus. Limit intake to 1 or 2 drops per cup to avoid overuse. Using it once or twice per day may help keep airways clearer and reduce mucus buildup, supporting smoother breathing. Next, number 13, oregano. Rich in powerful compounds, oregano is more than a kitchen staple. It may also aid respiratory wellness and help clear mucus from the sinuses, chest, and lungs. Carvacrol and thymol, the main components in oregano oil, possess strong antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds can help calm respiratory tract inflammation, thin mucus, and promote easier removal. When mucus production is triggered by infections or allergies, they may help limit pathogen growth, easing congestion, and making breathing more comfortable. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Zhang University highlighted carvacrol's ability to reduce mucus thickness and enhance mucociliary clearance, the body's natural process for removing mucus from the respiratory system. This action makes oregano oil a supportive natural option for sinus congestion and lung mucus. To use oregano, add 2 to 3 drops of oregano oil to a glass of warm water and drink it up to twice daily. Alternatively, oregano tea prepared with 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried oregano leaves steeped in hot water can be consumed twice per day. Because oregano oil is highly concentrated, moderation is important. Next, number 14, green tea. Enjoying a warm cup of green tea may help break down and clear mucus from the sinuses, chest, and lungs, thanks to its rich supply of antioxidants, catechins, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Key components such as epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, help reduce inflammation and thin mucus, easing congestion. EGCG and other polyphenols work together to calm respiratory irritation, making it easier for the body to expel mucus. In addition, the caffeine in green tea has a mild bronchodilating effect, which may improve airflow and support mucus movement in the lungs and sinuses. A 2024 study published in Frontiers in Immunology showed that EGCG and other flavonoids in green tea aid in mucus breakdown and help prevent excessive mucus production, showing benefits for respiratory comfort. For best results, drinking warm green tea 2 to 3 times daily can help keep respiratory passages moist while loosening mucus. Avoid excessive intake, as high caffeine levels may cause unwanted effects. Adding lemon or honey can further enhance benefits, creating a soothing blend for respiratory relief. And that concludes today's video on powerful foods, drinks, and herbs that may help reduce mucus in your sinuses, chest, and lungs. Now we'd like to hear from you. Are you already using any of these in your daily routine? If so, have you noticed improvements in your breathing? Share your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, type yes in the comments. It truly encourages us to continue creating valuable health-focused content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next video on natural health tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to clearer breathing and better health.